Hello friends, I am Sri Prasad from Division E. I am going to explain you a basic banking system program. So let's get started. These are the header files that are required for our program. The main function under which our program gets executed. These are some integer type variables in which our input data will get stored. The name string is used for input of customer name. The decorative part is here. Our name and account number we have to enter here. Then after this, options will be shown to us through which we will deal with our transaction. The main part of our program is switch control statement, which controls the options we give to the computer. The case 1, that is option 1, in which balance gets shown on our screen. Case 2, that is option 2, in which the input deposit amount gets deposited and increased balance will be shown on screen. The third option, that is case 3, in which the withdrawal amount gets withdrawn and the decreased balance will shown on screen. If withdrawal amount is greater than our balance, then insufficient balance message will be shown on screen. The fourth option, which is transfer amount, in which the transfer amount gets transferred to the receiver's account and the decreased balance of our ba- decreased balance will get shown on our screen. Here also, if the transferring amount is greater than balance, then insufficient balance message will be shown on screen. If all our cases gets false, then the default statement, which is invalid transaction, will be executed. Now we are going to execute this program, in which here name, then account number. If we choose option 1, then account balance is shown. If we choose option 2, then entered input amount gets deposited and the final balance is shown on screen. If third option is chosen and withdrawal amount gets input withdrawal amount gets withdrawal and the final balance decreased balance gets shown on screen. If we choose fourth option, which is transferring amount, the account number we have to enter, receiver's account number, and the amount we have to transfer. The entered amount gets transferred to the receiver and the decreased balance gets shown on our screen. So this is our simple basic banking system program. Thank you so much.